Parker Colbert Speedacoat Refinish Network. So today we are going over the art of blending. So Chevy truck, just bedsides, nothing crazy, just a little bit of surface rust. Went ahead, grinded it out, glass, filler, sanded all that down, primer, sand that down, ready for paint. So I'm gonna do a little something different today. We're gonna be using Color Blender. Each reduction in the base coat color, I'm actually gonna do a spray out. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how much this stuff can dilute your color in your base coat each time you reduce it. Let's suit up, mask up, mix up some base, and start with color. Alright, so that wraps it up, guys. Art of the blend. As you guys saw in the video, it's a very particular process as far as fanning that color into the next stage. We stopped right at this body line here with our full color. We took our 1-to-1 color blend ratio about 6 inches past that. And after that, we took our 1 part base, 2 parts color blender mix, and then we took it six inches past our 1-to-1 ratio. Really is an art, you know, just really carefully, step by step, fanning that color out. It takes a very tricky hand, and you have to have a lot of attention to detail and eye contact on the panel at all times. A lot of guys out there that still do this, and it works for them. They do the flick technique where they'll go ahead, they'll base their panel, and then they'll go ahead and try and flick that base and fan it. And that does work sometimes, but usually you can always tell in the right sunlight where they started and where they stop with their color. The problem with that method is when you're fanning that base coat into that area, trying to blend it without color blender, you're going to get a lot of dry spray, and that's going to leave you with a sandbox-like texture that clear coat will have trouble sticking to, so you could have flaking issues in the future. Just not a good idea. Now, I did actually mix it up a little bit today. We used the SMR 1150, cheapest clear out there, $59 for a full gallon and a quart of activator. And I gotta say, the finish on this stuff, I like it. For 59 bucks a gallon, I really like this stuff. I really like these clears for these little cheap spot jobs because honestly, it is a little bit of a lower solids clear, but it produces the same gloss as all of our other clears. And because it's lower solids, it actually dries way faster. This is a really, really, really awesome clear for the money, I gotta say. Knocked it out of the park. Whether you guys do OEM, paint to match with color blending like we did today, or you guys do mobile bumper repair, or you just do custom paint on cars, if you guys are looking for the best auto body and paint supplies in the world, head to www.speedocoat.com. Guys, they have everything you need to get your project done. That wraps it up for this one. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.